Hello students, today we are starting active and passive voice. The voice of a verb indicates whether the subject is the doer or the receiver of the action. Hari hit the ball. This is in active voice. Hari is the subject, hit is the verb and object is the ball. Second sentence is the ball was hit by Hari. This is in passive voice. Both the sentences express the same meaning, but in sentence 1 the subject Hari is the doer of the action, so the verb is hit. It's said to be in active voice. A verb is in the active voice when the subject is the doer of the action. In sentence 2, the subject, the ball, is the receiver of the action. So the verb was hit is said to be in passive voice. A verb is in the passive voice when the subject is the receiver of the action. If a transitive verb has two objects, any of the two objects may become the subject in the passive. Active voice. Hari bought me a pen. I was bought a pen by Hari. There are two objects, me and a pen. A pen is the direct object and me is the indirect object. So we can change into passive voice. I was bought a pen by Hari, or a pen was bought to me by Hari. Like that, the father received me at the station. It is in active voice. I was received by father at the station. Remember, to change active to passive voice, first one is change the object to the subject. Second, use be plus third form of the verb. Third, change the object to the subject. Fourth, note the position of the direct, indirect object and phrase in the diagrams above. When a prepositional verb is changed from active to passive voice, the preposition should not be dropped. Active voice, they laughed at a poor man. Passive voice, a poor man was laughed at by them. Next is to change auxiliary verbs from active to passive voice. Add be along with the past participle to the verb. Active, Mona can do this sum. Passive, this sum can be done by Mona. Next, to change imperative sentences from active to passive voice, let be is used if the sentence is to remain imperative, otherwise should be is used. Active, close the window. Passive, let the window be closed. Active, respect your elders. Passive, your elders should be respected. Active, love the animals. Passive, the animals should be loved. If a transitive verb are used, the change of imperative sentences into passive voice is carried out in the following manner. Active, do it just now. Passive, you are ordered to do it just now. Next, continuous form. Like most continuous forms, the passive continuous is concerned with the continuity rather than the completed state of an action. Active, the laborers are cutting the grass. Passive, the grass is being cut by the laborers. Next, in case of the interrogative sentences, do, does, did becomes is, are, was, were and have plus past participle becomes have been plus past participle as. Active, do you stitch the shirt? Passive, is the shirt stitched by you? Active, did they solve the puzzle? Passive, was the puzzle solved by them? Active, have they done their homework? Passive, has the homework been done by them? Now tense wise changes. Simple present is RM plus third form of the verb. The example is he likes me. Active voice. Passive voice, I am liked by him. Present continuous is MR plus being plus third form of the verb. The example is he is helping us. Active voice. passive voice, we are being held by him. Passive voice. Check to see if the object of the active voice is a singular word or a plural word. If it is a plural word, then the verb will be in agreement with the subject in the passive voice. For example, he is helping us. Us is plural. So here we are changing into passive voice. We are. Here the verb we use are. Being held by him. Present perfect. Has, have been and third form of the verb. He has helped us. Active voice. We have been helped by him. Passive voice. Some more example. Formation of the passive voice. Passives can be formed in the following ways. These are the tense, active voice and passive voice. Simple present. He plants a tree. A tree is planted by him. Simple past. Planted. Was verb planted. Present continuous is are planting. Is are being planted. Present perfect has have planted. Passive voice has have been planted. Past continuous was verb planting. Passive voice was verb being planted. Past perfect had planted. Had been planted. Simple future shall will plant. Will be planted. Conditional would plant. Would be planted. Perfect conditional would have planted. Would have been planted. Infinitive is was to plant. Is was to have been planted. ing form planting, having planted, being, having been planted.